Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Tom and Anna.
Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for coming back to our channel again.
My name is Tom,
And I'm Anna.
and today we are going to learn a very important English topic in a super easy way.
Yes, today we are learning present simple and past simple.
Exactly, and don't worry if you feel confused.
Because today we will learn everything step by step.
We will learn sentence structure, helping verbs, verb forms, positive sentences, negative sentences, and questions.
And we will also practice real-life examples and spoken English sentences.
We will talk about common mistakes too.
And we will fix those mistakes together.
So by the end of this video, you will understand present simple and past simple very clearly.
And you will speak English more confidently.
So let's begin.
I'm excited already.
First, let's understand the basic difference.
Yes, what is the difference between present simple and past simple?
Great question.
Thank you.
To use present simple for things we do regularly.
Like daily routines?
Exactly.
Can you give some examples?
Of course. Listen carefully.
I'm listening.
I drink tea every morning.
That is a daily habit.
Correct.
Another example, please.
She goes to school every day.
Easy.
Now let's talk about past simple.
Okay.
We use past simple for actions that happened in the past.
So something finished already?
Exactly right.
Can you give examples?
Sure.
I'm ready.
I watched a movie yesterday.
Yesterday means past.
Correct.
One more example, please.
They visited Lahore last week.
Oh, now I understand better.
Very good.
So present simple is for regular actions,
Yes.
and past simple is for finished past actions.
Perfect.
Guys, if you understand this, comment Easy English below.
Great idea.
And don't forget to subscribe to English with Tom and Anna.
Now let's learn sentence structure.
This is very important.
Yes. Let's start with present simple positive sentences.
Okay,
The structure is very easy.
tell us slowly.
Subject plus verb plus object.
Simple.
For example, I play cricket.
He reads books.
Excellent.
She cooks food.
Perfect.
But sometimes the verb changes, right?
Yes, very important point.
Please explain.
With he, she, and it, we usually add s or es to the verb.
Oh, yes.
For example, he plays football.
She watches TV.
Very good.
What about I?
With I, we use the base verb.
So we say, I play football,
Exactly.
not I plays football.
Correct. That is a common mistake.
Many beginners make that mistake.
Yes, but don't worry.
We're learning together.
Exactly.
Can we practice more examples?
Of course.
I'm ready.
I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
We study English every day.
They live in Pakistan.
He works in a hospital.
Excellent.
She sings beautifully.
Great job.
This feels easy now.
Good. Now let's move to negative sentences.
Okay.
In present simple negative sentences, we use do not or does not.
Oh, yes.
With I, you, we, and they, we use do not.
And with he, she, and it, we use does not.
Perfect.
Can you give examples?
Sure.
Let's do it.
I do not like coffee.
They do not play tennis.
Very good.
He does not drive a car.
Excellent.
She does not wake up early.
Perfect.
Can we use short forms?
Absolutely.
Like don't and doesn't?
Exactly.
So, I do not like tea becomes I don't like tea.
Correct.
And he does not work here becomes he doesn't work here.
Amazing.
I'm learning fast today.
You really are.
Can I try one?
Of course.
She doesn't cooks food.
Almost correct again.
Oops.
After doesn't, we use the base verb.
So no S.
Exactly.
The correct sentence is, she doesn't cook food.
Perfect correction.
Many students make this mistake.
Yes, very common mistake.
Guys, practice this carefully.
Now, let's learn present simple questions.
Questions are very important for speaking English.
Exactly.
How do we make questions?
We use do and does.
Again, do and does.
Yes,
Please give examples.
sure.
Let's practice.
Where do you live?
What does he eat for breakfast?
Excellent.
When do they go to school?
Very good.
Why does she study English?
Perfect.
These are very useful in daily speaking.
Absolutely.
Can we do a mini conversation?
Great idea.
I'll start.
Okay.
Where do you work?
I work in a bank.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
Very nice.
Now, let's move to past simple.
Yay, let's do it.
Past simple talks about finished actions in the past.
So action's already finished.
Correct.
What is the structure?
Subject plus second form of verb plus object.
Second form of verb.
Exactly.
Can you explain with examples?
Of course.
I'm ready.
I visited my friend yesterday.
He played football last night.
Excellent.
She watched TV after dinner.
Perfect.
We studied English yesterday.
Great job.
Past simple feels easy too,
Yes, but we must learn verb forms carefully.
because some verbs are regular and some are irregular.
Exactly.
Please explain simply.
Regular verbs usually add ed.
Like play becomes played.
Correct.
Watch becomes watched.
Very good.
What about irregular verbs?
Irregular verbs change differently.
Can you give examples?
Sure.
I'm listening.
Go becomes went.
Eat becomes ate.
Excellent.
See becomes saw.
Perfect.
So we must remember irregular verbs.
Yes, slowly and step by step.
Don't worry, guys. Practice every day.
Exactly.
Can we compare present simple and past simple together now?
Great idea.
This helps a lot.
Listen carefully.
Okay.
Present simple. I play cricket every weekend.
Past simple, I played cricket yesterday.
Excellent.
Present simple, she walks to school.
Past simple. She walked to school yesterday.
Oh, now the difference is very clear.
Very good.
Guys, pause the video and make your own 2 sentences.
One present simple sentence and one past simple sentence.
Then comment below.
Now let's learn past simple negative sentences.
Okay.
In negative sentences, we use did not.
Or didn't.
Correct.
And after did, we use the base verb.
Excellent.
So no second form after did.
Exactly.
Can you give examples?
Sure.
Let's practice together.
I did not watch TV yesterday.
They didn't visit us last week.
Very good.
He didn't go to school.
Excellent.
She did not cook dinner.
Perfect.
Can I try a mistake?
Of course.
He didn't went to school.
Almost correct.
Ah, I used second form after didn't.
Exactly.
The correct sentence is, he didn't go to school.
Perfect correction.
This is a very common mistake.
Yes, many students say didn't went.
But now you know the correct rule.
After did or didn't, always use the base verb.
Very easy.
Now let's learn past simple questions.
Okay.
We use did at the beginning.
And the verb stays in base form.
Exactly.
Examples, please.
Did you call me?
Did she finish her homework?
Excellent.
Did they watch the movie?
Perfect.
And answers?
Yes, I did.
No, I didn't.
Great.
Yes, she did.
Excellent.
No, they didn't.
Very good.
I'm enjoying this lesson so much.
Me too.
And I think our viewers are learning fast.
Definitely. Now let's practice WH questions in past simple.
Yes, these questions are very useful in daily English conversations.
Exactly.
How do we make them?
Very easy.
Tell us slowly.
We use a WH word, then did, then the subject, then the base verb.
Simple.
For example, where did you go yesterday?
What did she cook?
Excellent.
When did they arrive?
Perfect.
Why did he leave early?
Very good.
Can we answer these questions naturally?
Of course.
Let's do a mini conversation.
Great idea.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the market.
What did you buy?
I bought some fruit.
When did you come home?
I came home at 7 p.m.
Very nice.
Now let's compare present simple and past simple one more time.
Yes, repetition helps learning.
Exactly.
Let's do many examples.
Present simple, I walk to school every day.
Past simple, I walked to school yesterday.
Present simple, she drinks tea every morning.
Past simple, she drank tea this morning.
Excellent.
Present simple, they play football on Sundays.
Past simple, they played football last Sunday.
This comparison is very helpful.
I'm happy to hear that.
Can we talk about time words now?
Great idea.
Time words help us understand the tense.
Exactly.
What time words do we use with present simple?
We often use words like every day, every morning, usually, always, sometimes, often, never.
Can you give examples?
Sure.
I'm ready.
I usually wake up early.
She always drinks coffee.
They sometimes play cricket.
We never eat fast food.
Excellent.
Now what about past simple?
With past simple, we often use yesterday, last night, last week, last month, ago.
Examples, please.
I visited my uncle yesterday.
She called me last night.
They traveled to Karachi last month.
We watched a movie 2 days ago.
Perfect.
Guys, these time words are very important.
Yes, they help you choose the correct tense.
Now, can we do some spoken English examples?
Absolutely.
This is my favorite part.
Mine too.
Let's imagine daily life conversations.
Great idea.
I'll start.
Okay.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Did you wake up late yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Do you drink tea every day?
Yes, I do.
Did you drink tea this morning?
No, I didn't.
Very natural.
Exactly. This is real spoken English.
Let's do another one.
Sure.
Where do you work?
I work in a hospital.
Did you work yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do.
Did you like your first day there?
Yes, I did.
Very nice.
Now, let's talk about common mistakes again.
This helps beginners a lot.
Definitely.
Okay, give me a wrong sentence.
She go to school every day.
That is wrong.
Yes, can you correct it?
She goes to school every day.
Perfect.
Because with she, we add S.
Exactly.
Now my turn.
Okay.
He didn't played football.
Wrong again.
Yes, and the correct sentence is he didn't play football.
Excellent correction.
Because after didn't, we use the base verb.
Perfect.
Another one, please.
Did she went home?
Wrong.
Correct it.
Did she go home?
Amazing.
I think viewers understand this now.
I think so too.
Guys, don't feel scared of mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
Practice every day and slowly improve.
Exactly.
Now, can we do a small quiz?
Great idea.
Guys, answer with us.
Question number 1.
I tea every morning.
Is it drink or drink?
Present simple.
Yes.
So the answer is drink.
Correct.
Next question.
She to school yesterday.
Is it go or went?
Think carefully.
Yesterday means past,
Exactly.
so the answer is went.
Perfect.
Next one.
They didn't dinner.
Is it ate or eat?
Remember the rule.
After didn't, we use the base verb.
Exactly.
So the answer is eat.
Excellent.
One more.
Does he English?
Is it speak or speaks?
What do you think?
After does, we use the base verb.
Correct.
So the answer is speak.
Amazing job.
Guys, if you got all answers correct, comment, I can do it.
And if you made mistakes, don't worry.
Keep practicing with us.
Now let's do a small memory trick.
Ooh, nice.
For present simple, think about routine and habit.
Things we do again and again.
Exactly.
Like eating breakfast, going to school, studying English.
Perfect.
And for past simple,
Think about finished actions.
actions already completed.
Exactly.
Like, I watched a movie yesterday.
Correct.
This memory trick is very easy.
That's the goal. Simple learning for everyone.
Exactly. Can we do one long daily conversation now?
Absolutely.
Let's make it natural.
Okay, let's begin.
Hi, Tom. What do you usually do in the morning?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m. and drink coffee.
Do you exercise every day?
Yes, I do.
What did you do yesterday morning?
Yesterday, I woke up late and skipped exercise.
Oh no! Did you feel tired?
Yes, I did.
Do you go to work by car?
No, I don't. I go by bus.
How did you go yesterday?
I went by taxi because I was late.
That sounds stressful.
It really was.
What do you usually eat for dinner?
I usually eat rice and chicken.
What did you eat last night?
I ate pizza.
Lucky you.
Yes,
This conversation sounds very natural.
because these tenses are everywhere in daily English.
That is so true.
Now let's practice speaking together.
Guys, repeat after us.
I study English every day.
I studied English yesterday.
She plays tennis every weekend.
She played tennis last weekend.
We don't watch TV every night.
We didn't watch TV yesterday.
Do you like coffee?
Did you like the movie?
Excellent practice. Repeat these sentences many times.
Speaking practice is very important.
Yes, don't only watch,
Speak with us loudly.
even if your English is not perfect.
Exactly.
Confidence comes with practice.
Very true.
Now let's do a quick revision.
Great idea. Present simple is for habits, routines, and regular actions.
Past simple is for finished past actions.
In present simple, with he, she, and it, we usually add s or es.
In past simple positive sentences, we use the second form of the verb.
In past simple negative sentences, we use did not or didn't.
And after did, we always use the base verb.
Perfect.
In questions, we use do, does, and did.
Perfect summary.
Guys, you learned so much today.
Yes, and we are very proud of you.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video.
And subscribe to English with Tom and Anna.
Share this lesson with your friends and family.
And comment your own present simple and past simple sentences below.
We love reading your comments.
Keep practicing English every single day.
Little practice every day brings big improvement.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Thank you for spending your time with us.
Take care, everyone.
Keep smiling and keep learning English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!